Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome, dear viewers, a brand new episode of your program Up to Date. And I've got the first report. This report is about something called Naqa. Now, when it comes, there's a charity here for anti-smoke in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and there's a company that came up with this amazing tech advanced, let's say, perspective of having actual boards that cough and then eventually the boards, yeah, they cough. And they show the negative of anti-smoke.
Although smoking is banned in most public areas, people still smoke in malls, parking lots, and outside most facilities' entrances. Thus, non-smokers are still under the harmful influence of second-hand smoke. There exists a multitude of ads against smoking, as well as many anti-smoking campaigns that rely on traditional mediums, though they have proved not to be so effective. So an unconventional idea was needed, using an unconventional medium, to demonstrate to smokers what second-hand smokers feel. We came up with the coughing poster, and this is how it works. We placed the poster on mall entrances and building parking lots where smokers gather. We've done this exercise in the 3 major cities of the kingdom: Riyadh, Jeddah, and Dammam.
Actually brilliant. I mean, it's amazing the initiatives that people have, I mean, young minds and the way they're thinking in the